Good morning, class 3. Today in social studies, we are going to do chapter 16, our national days. There are some days that are important for all Indians. The whole country celebrates these days. Such days are called national days. We also call them our national festivals. Our three national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Let's start with Independence Day. You all know that the British ruled over India for a long time. They left our country on 15th August 1947. After they left, we became independent and started running our country our way. That is why we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. The biggest celebration takes place in Delhi. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and gives a speech to the people of the country. People all over the country fly the national flag and sing patriotic songs. Being patriotic means being proud of one's country. Our second national festival is Republic Day. Our country is run by some rules. These rules are written down in a book called the Constitution. Our Constitution says that India is a republic, and a republic is a country where the head of the government is elected, that is chosen by the people. We started using our constitution on 26th of January 1950. That is why we celebrate 26th January as our Republic Day. The Republic Day parade in Delhi is very colorful. People from all over the country take part in it. Children also take part. People who are well known for their work, that is, they are musicians, they are writers, sports persons, soldiers, and so on, are honored here. Brave children are also honored on this day. Our third national festival or the national day is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, that is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, on 2nd of October. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and was a lawyer to start with. Later, he united the people of India to fight against the British. He and his followers did not kill or hurt anybody. They fought peacefully by disobeying the Britishers. This is why Gandhiji is admired by all over the world. Gandhiji is also called Mahatma, that is the great soul, by the people for his goodness and braveness. He is also called the father of the nation. We remember this great leader on his birthday. On his birthday, people visit his samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi and offer flowers and prayers. A samadhi is a memorial is something built in memory of a person. Children, please go through this lesson, read it very carefully. Okay, thank you.